Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Semrush for competitor-driven earnings easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Semrush website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. This typically includes your email address and a password. Consider using a strong password for security purposes. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email from Semrush. Check your email inbox for that verification message. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Return to the Semrush website after verification. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Pricing Plans section. Select the plan that suits your business needs best. Consider the features available in each plan for competitor analysis. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details or select an alternative payment method. Review your information to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming your payment details, click the Pay button. Once the payment is processed, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Explore the tools available for competitor analysis on the dashboard. Start by entering a competitor's domain into the search bar. Analyze their traffic and keywords to inform your strategy. Utilize the insights gained to enhance your own content and marketing efforts. Keep track of your competitors regularly for continuous improvement. Make the most of Semrush features for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.